Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm pretty sure most of you already know that about these Dolkatins, and you probably already know that Zenmaines is getting a reprint. Yes. Well, for me, I do not like this one bit. Number one, now everyone's gonna be running around with Zenmaines, tour guides, Dolkas, Rabbit, but Rabbit isn't really, well, if Rabbit got reprinted, then I'd probably run it, but still. But then again, now you're getting like an $80 card and turning it into like a $15 tin super, just like Pot of Duality was. So, what are you gonna do there now? Well, so for the Dolka tin, it comes with obviously Dolka and this card called Dark Highlander, which I'm about to show you, and of course Wind-Up Zenmaines. Now, I thought this Dark Highlander card was pretty interesting because if just read this effect. Neither player can synchro summon. Once per turn, you can select one monster your opponent controls that is equipped with an equip card. Destroy all equipped cards equipped to that monster and inflict 400 damage to your opponent for each card destroyed. Now, the first thing that I thought when I read this card was Inzectors, because I'm pretty sure most of you, when you think of an equip card, you're gonna think of Inzectors, right? But then, since they all are destroyed or sent to graveyard, whatever, they're all gonna get their effects. So, yeah. And also, this came out in a manga. So, yeah. But I guess it wouldn't be that bad as a tin super. So, what can you do? Next, we got the Heroic Champion Excalibur. Got a card called Blizzard Princess. I don't know what that does. Let's check that. Okay, so Blizzard Princess was also from a manga, and its effect is you can tribute summon this card in face-up attack position by tributing one spellcaster type monster. During the turn this card is normal summon, your opponent cannot activate spell or trap cards. Well, I guess this card would go pretty good with the new archetype coming out, either in Return of the Duelist or whatever the next one is. I can't remember. But since they're all spellcasters, I think it'd be pretty good. But, well, I guess that's all I have to say, and, well, peace.